Red-D-Arc GX330XL is a state-of-the-art gasoline engine-driven welder. It's smaller, smarter, quieter, and more powerful. It has a 20% smaller footprint and is 25% lighter than the other machines in its class, making transporting it to the field easier with less bulk and less effort, while leaving you lots of room for all your other tools and accessories. The GX330XL has excellent multi-process capability with the option for constant voltage or constant current welding processes, including stick, spool gun, constant voltage MIG, constant voltage flux cord, TIG, gouging, and pipe, while also having a pulse mode for aluminum spool gun applications and pulse TIG. The 330 amps and 100% duty cycle of welding power makes welding with a 1/4 inch 7018 electrodes a breeze, while also allowing you to arc gouge with carbon electrodes up to 3/16 in size. CrossLinc remote technology communicates voltage control to the GX330XL through one common weld cable, reducing cable clutter and minimizing unnecessary movement around the job site. The easy-to-use graphical user interface offers advanced technology that enables you to improve both weld performance and productivity. Ready-Set Weld technology simplifies setup by recommending optimal welding parameters for a given welding application, helping even the most inexperienced operators to achieve the best output settings for each welding operation. Just follow the 5-step process and enter the requested information to obtain the recommended settings. With 10 kilowatts continuous and 11.5 kilowatts of peak auxiliary power output, there's 42 amps of 240 volt single-phase power available to operate small electric, MIG, and TIG welders, as well as small plasma cutters and electric hand tools, such as drills and grinders, via the two 120 volt, 20 amp duplex GFCI protected receptacles. Shop undercarriages or construction trailers are also available in addition to the option of operating it from the bed of your truck. For more detailed information about the GX330XL, refer to the operator manual IM10480B and be sure to follow all recommended safety precautions.